Hello and welcome to Bollywood Life.
थैंक यू मिस्टर अमरान, कैसे हो आप?
All बढ़िया, आप बताओ. How's the quarantine period going on? Huh?
आई नो
That's really
यार
cool, yeah.
मैं थोड़ा आलसी हो गया हूँ, तो मैं मेरे बाल बढ़ रहे हैं, मेरी दाढ़ी बढ़ रही है.
Yeah. But
पता
it's
नहीं
looking
कब
good
तक.
on you. Wow, amazing.
थैंक
अच्छे
यू
लग रहे
थैंक यू
हो.
किसी किसी कैरेक्टर के लिए यूज करेंगे एक दिन.
पक्का. So काफी हमने ऑलमोस्ट 25 दिन या 26 दिन क्वारंटाइन में निकाल दिए लॉकडाउन के अंदर. आगे और 11-12 दिन बाकी है. कैसा रहा आपका क्वारंटाइन का एक्सपीरियंस? हाउ वाज इट? क्या कर रहे थे टाइम तक? घर पे बंद हो या फिर कुछ कर रहे हो?
यार मैं देखो, मैं थोड़ा वर्कaholic किस्म का इंसान हूँ. मैं जब से मुझे लगातार काम मिल रहा है, मैं लगातार काम कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं घर पे बैठता ही नहीं हूँ, मेरे से होता नहीं है. तो और मुझे मुझे एक्टिंग लाइक एक बहुत बड़ा नशा लगता है. तो आई लव गोइंग टू सेट, आई लव एक्टिंग. तो सडनली मुझे इतना वक्त मिल गया घर पे. एंड इन वन वे इट्स नाइस, बिकॉज मुझे याद दिलाता है कि वी शुड ऑल पॉज, वी शुड ऑल टेक अ ब्रेक. खास तौर पे एक एक्टर को या क्रिएटिव इंसान को करना ही
राइट.
चाहिए. बट आई हैव बीन स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. मेरा 3 साल का बच्चा है, मेरी बीवी है. तो ज्यादा लोग जानते नहीं कि मेरा बच्चा है, लेकिन है छोटा सा क्यूट सा. तो मैं उसके
वाओ.
साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ. आई हैव बीन डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग. इतनी सारी फिल्में हैं जो मैंने मिस कर दी, वो कैचअप हो रहा है. बर्तन मांजता हूँ, झाड़ू पोछा खुद कर रहा हूँ, तो इन चीजों पे लगा हूँ मैं.
So we'll talk झाड़ू पोछा पिक्चर के बारे में अभी थोड़े थोड़े टाइम से. But there are exciting news about you. आप इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स ले रहे हो. But first project I want to talk about is स्मार्टफोन जो आपकी शॉर्ट फिल्म रिलीज हुई है. People
जी.
are appreciating, fans are liking it. आपको कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है उसका?
बढ़िया यार. आई थिंक वक्त सबके पास अभी है डिजिटल पे देखने के लिए चीजें. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट टाइम टू रिलीज थिंग्स डिजिटली. एंड आई थिंक पीपल आर फाइंडिंग इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट, और वो देख रहे हैं उसको, कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं उसको. तो आई एम ग्लैड पीपल लाइक इट, बिकॉज इच्छा तो वही है कि लोगों को पसंद आए, इसलिए तो हम करते हैं काम. बट एज ए सेड, मैं वर्कaholic हूँ, तो शॉर्ट फिल्म अगर मुझे अच्छी लगती है कोई भी, मैं करता रहता हूँ यार. प्रोजेक्ट्स के बीच में, या अगर मैं कुछ शूट कर रहा था उस वक्त और अंकुश भट्ट आए और स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा दी मुझे, मैंने कहा कैरेक्टर तो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग, करना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट पीपल आर आल्सो लाइकिंग इट.
All right. So it's about a smartphone. Okay, everything revolves around that. I haven't watched it yet. So can you just shed a light on it? What's it actually about? Don't give me everything because it's a suspense, I guess. But what's it
Yeah.
about actually?
So basically, Kunal Roy Kapoor and Hina Khan are married, and the short film sort of starts with you getting to know that these two इनकी अभी भी शादी हुई है.
Yeah.
And Kunal is like a Bombay boy, and she's a small town गांव की लड़की है वो. And the film actually starts with जब मेरी एंट्री होती है, मैं उसका दोस्त हूँ, मैं पत्ते खेलने के लिए आया हूँ. और जब
Okay.
पत्ते खुलते हैं धीरे धीरे, as we go along playing, दूसरी चीजें भी खुलने लगती हैं.
Okay.
And the smartphone plays a very integral part of that. So that's the short film. I mean, it's a short film, so जाहिर सी बात है कि मैं ज्यादा बता दूं तो राज की बात राज नहीं
You'll
रहेगी.
give everything right. That's good because जितना आपने बोल दिया, it's intriguing. So I have to watch it now. Okay.
Superb, you must. फिर मुझे
All right.
मैसेज
So
करना आपको कैसे लगा है.
obviously I'm going to do that. So मेरे पास लिस्ट है आपके upcoming movies and web series के बारे में. So the first you're talking about is MX Player Magic.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm.
Then we have Katina opposite Disha Patni. Then we have Madam Chief Minister with Richa, and then we have a Tamil remake.
Yes. Correct. Correct.
So much happening for you.
Yeah.
कैसा है
Yeah.
आपका माइंड कैसा है ये सब चीजों को लेकर?
यार मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यार. बहुत एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स किए मैंने पिछले साल in 2019. Magic, as you said, it's like a dream project for me. I loved working on that MX Player show. Nikhil Rao directed it. It's about a junkie who stumbles upon a drug, and that drug उसको rehab में मिलता है, and वो बेचने लगता है उसको. जैसे ब्रैडली कूपर का एक फिल्म था Limitless.
Limitless.
Yeah, it's similar to that. Then there is Inside It season 3 with Amazon. Then there is Illegal with Neha Sharma and Piyush Mishra. Then there's Flesh, which is Siddharth Anand, who directed War. He's produced a web series with me and Swara Bhaskar. So a lot of good work, a lot of good people, a lot of good actors, co-actors that I worked with. And last year was a great year, yeah. And 2020 is a different kind of year.
Because
But
you started as an actor in a Bollywood movie, then came web, and it boosted your career. So you think web was that point where in your career it pushed you and it gave you so many roles to do with, and people started appreciating you.
yeah, I think so, bro. Because see, the thing is, uh, I started to prove myself with films like Pizza and even my first film, Missy Life, में that मैं actor ठीक ठाक हूँ. So, but that doesn't get you work in Bollywood. Box office gets you work. धंधा at the
Right.
end of the day.
Right.
But web इतना नया था that they were just looking for good actors. You know, they knew that the big stars will not do it. So they were looking for good actors, and I entered right away because I realized कि this is a market I can start, displaying my talent in. And then a lot of different kind of roles came, and a variety of roles came. लोगों को पसंद आया, फिर मुझे मिलता रहा, and it was no longer dependent on my box office. It was dependent on my talent, and that was superb for me. यार फिर मेरा career start हुआ है.
So as an actor, आपको web कितनी liberty देता है? How much power does it give you?
Lots, because एक तो censorship नहीं है. So certain type, like for example Flash that I've done with Saurabh Bhaskar, I play a Flash Street owner. उसमें इस ऐसे scenes हैं यार उस web series में कि आप फिल्म में कभी इस character को दिखा नहीं पाओगे. I play the villain, Swara plays a cop, she's chasing me. But ये villain जो villainy करता है, एक अलग level का कर रहा है वो जो फिल्मों में आप दिखा नहीं सकते because of censor board. That's one. Two is फिल्मों में आपको 2 घंटे में पूरी जर्नी कैरेक्टर की दिखानी पड़ती है. Who is this person? Where does he come from? Where is he heading? All of those things आपको 1.5-2 घंटे में बताना है. In a web series you have 8 episodes, maybe an hour each episode. आपके पास 8 घंटे का कंटेंट है इस कैरेक्टर को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए. तो उसकी बारीकियां, इसकी नुआंसेस ज्यादा निकल के आती हैं उसमें. So that creatively has been extremely satisfying for me.
All right, that's a very good answer. Yeah. So I have some quarantine questions for you. Okay, on social media, fans have been asking questions to our celebrities. Okay, so I have a few questions lined up for me. For you, sorry. So the first question, the most I get is, what shows are celebs currently watching, and they recommend their fans to watch? What shows are you watching?
So I watched Family Man, that Manoj Bajpayee का जो था. I hadn't seen it yet. मुझे बहुत मजा, मतलब Raj and DK are like some of the best directors we have today यार. And Manoj sir तो Manoj sir है. तो I had missed that. मैंने वो देखा, बहुत पसंद आया. I watched I watched Tiger King on Netflix.
Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one.
That's a good one, man. It shows you कि क्या मतलब अद्भुत जिंदगी लोगों की यार. हम लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. I watched, I finally saw Masan, and it has 2 of my favorite actors in it, Pankaj Tripathi and Sanjay Mishra. So I had missed that film. Finally, मैंने वो देखा है. And what else have I watched, यार? Oh, I'm a huge Michael Jordan fan. तो Michael Jordan का एक Netflix पे
recently on Netflix. Yeah.
The Last Dance. So there are 2 episodes. I recommend everyone to watch it because to get to know Michael Jordan's mindset before games and the psychology of what made him who he is, I think सबको सीखना चाहिए यार.
All right. Okay. So the next question I'm getting is, since we all are locked down in home, what is your least favorite activity and your favorite activity that you'd like to do at home? क्या करना पसंद है, क्या करना नहीं पसंद है?
मुझे बर्तन मांजना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, और ऐसे पहाड़ बन चुका है यार मेरे सिंक में अब बर्तन. मुझे लगता है वो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते हैं. चले मतलब दिन भर में लगातार बर्तन मांज रहा हूँ. So that is my least favorite activity. My most favorite activity is दोपहर को, like after lunch, I make myself a cup of coffee and I sit down with Avyan, who's my son, and हम किताबें पढ़ते हैं, उसकी जो किताबें हैं. That is my favorite because it's just such a nice time. 1.5 2 hours I just read to him, and उसको इतना मजा आता है, फिर वो सवालें पूछने लगता है. It's a nice little father son bonding time.
Family bonding time. That's much needed because being an actor in such a busy business, you don't get time to interact with your family. Right?
Yeah. I really feel like I've missed out a little bit, but now I'm catching up on all of that.
Okay, so but talking about this pressure of being productive, a lot of people on social media, actually youngsters, are taking a lot of pressure of being productive during this time. But do you think they have to be productive, or they can just sit back and chill for a while and let them go out, and then we can do something productive? Right now is not the time. What do you think about that?
Yeah, Imran, I love the way you put that. The pressure to be productive. That's beautiful. I think that as life goes on and generations keep passing in, competition बढ़ता जा रहा है. लोगों को एक बहुत बड़ा दबाव है कि मुझे कुछ productive करना चाहिए.
Right.
This is a great time to take a break. Just pamper yourself, chill on the couch, don't do anything. It's important. हम लोग machine बन चुके हैं, लेकिन इंसान machine नहीं है. And we've turned into that. I'm also guilty of it, where I feel like यार 2 हफ्ते हो गए मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है, वैसे मैं घर साफ कर रहा हूँ दिन भर. But it is vital. I think right now with this disease or this virus going around, there's enough मतलब imbalance, मतलब मानसिक संतुलन में काफी imbalance चल रहा है अभी. तो and you can very easily go into a negative spiral. I think the best thing you can do for yourself right now is erase all those years of pressures and years of brainwashing कि रोज कुछ करना चाहिए and कुछ achieve करना चाहिए. इनफैक्ट मैं वो कर रहा हूँ यार, मैं चिल कर रहा हूँ, मैं मतलब घर पे जो काम है वो कर रहा हूँ, बट अदर देन दैट आई एम नॉट adding extra pressure on myself, and I
Right.
recommend everyone do that.
Because you're not gonna get this time back, and the world is not gonna be the same जो पहले था. The world is gonna be different. People, लोगों का thinking change होने वाला है, perspective change होने वाला है towards the world, and I hope it's a happy thing, and it's a
Yeah,
good thing that you're gonna have.
I hope so too. I hope that people are more compassionate. I hope that people are nicer to each other. I hope that people have more gratitude post this, because सबने इसके बाद realize किया कि हम सब vulnerable हैं यार.
Right.
अमीर हो गरीब हो doesn't matter.
It's so true, man. Okay, so the next question I'll shoot is, tell me, are you doing anything to keep yourself fit? And if so, can you recommend few exercises to your fans?
I'm awful at working out at home. I think there's tons of actors who are daily posting things on Instagram of what they're doing to
Yeah.
work out. So I think you need to search elsewhere. Don't come to me for it. मैं एक आध push-up मारा है मैंने, उसके बावजूद मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. I find it very tough to work out at home, yeah. I mean,
All right.
like jadu pocha and mopping and doing dishes is not a bad workout. Huh? I'm just saying.
Yeah, it takes a lot of energy. You have to
Takes a
put
lot of
muscles work
energy.
out for that. Yeah.
Absolutely,
So true.
absolutely.
Okay, so are you following any kind of diet to keep yourself in shape?
You know, unfortunately, because of the situation that's happened right now, there isn't actually that much indulgent food to be eating. तो मैं काफी हेल्दी खाना वैसे खा रहा हूँ, लाइक दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी, बेसिक खाना जो होता है, बिकॉज हमारे पास इतना पड़ा नहीं है राशन. मतलब वी हैव टू स्लोली गो थ्रू इट, एंड nothing fancy is being made at home right now because our cook is not here, Avyan's nanny is not here. तो I think by default मैं बहुत हेल्दी खा रहा हूँ.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, this question, given a choice, अगर आपको लॉकडाउन में किसी के साथ एक कमरे में रहना पड़े जहाँ पे लॉकडाउन हो जाए, which celeb you will choose to be like locked down with?
That's a good one. See, I think most people know that my childhood best friend is Imran Khan, and now Imran Khan is no longer an actor, so I don't know if but he's still a celebrity. So if I given a choice, I'd be locked down with him, yeah, because anyway we hang out all the time. I mean, unfortunately not right now, but we are locked down together anyway. So Imran
Very
Khan.
smart fellow, very smart guy, very intellectual guy. You can talk to him about everything and anything.
Yeah, and you know, and he's just like a very good human being, you know, and it's very rare that you'd say that about your best friend, you know, you usually say, "Arey, मेरा best friend तो तू कैसे क्या जानता है यार, वो तो पागल इंसान है." But he is just the best person I've ever met. He's just such a good human being.
That's a very good choice. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is see what's going on outside right now. The situation is very bad. Even then, people are not listening. They're not understanding that they don't have to go out. For some reason, it doesn't go in their head. But when influencers like you or celebrities like you talk on your social platform or Twitter, people try to listen to you, or at least care to listen. So what I want you to do is just give a shout out to such people and ask them to stay in and keep their family safe and the surroundings safe. Can you do that?
Oh, absolutely, Imran. I mean, I look, I understand. See, some people are going out because they are financial situations a problem or some other bigger problem. Now, if that is your issue, I'm sorry, and I really feel for you. And that maybe this doesn't apply to you then. But the other people who are going out and about because they're bored at home and they're saying कि lockdown में क्या रखा है, मैं तो fit हूँ, मैं workout करता हूँ, मैं healthy हूँ, मैं दारू वारू नहीं पीता हूँ, whatever. I've heard people say that कि मैं cigarette दारू नहीं पीता हूँ, so I can be outside. I think you are being ridiculous. You are being unfair to your citizens. You are being unfair to the elderly of our country, to the children of our country. And it kind of makes me feel like you don't love India if you're not listening to the government right now. सो प्लीज अगर आप बेवजह बाहर जा रहे हो बस मतलब अपनी आई डोंट नो लाइक ताकत दिखाने के लिए sorry yaar, I got a call in between.
Yeah,
So I
that's
was
fine.
saying ki, yeah, if you're going out to just show how powerful you are and that nothing will affect you, please don't do that because you're really being irresponsible. So I really, 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 really hope people will listen and stay inside. It is the right thing to do right now. Shut your doors, keep everybody safe, and keep washing your hands.
I hope people listen to you and at least follow.
I hope, man.
Yeah,
I hope.
yeah.
I hope.
So the next thing I want to ask is now we're seeing you in smartphone. Where's next we're seeing you immediately after that? Is there something coming up?
Yeah, I think the only project that's fully ready, meaning बाकी projects की dubbing बची हुई है यार. Unfortunately, थोड़ा post production बचा हुआ है. But I think the only project that's fully ready is Illegal, which will come on Voot, with me, Neha Sharma, and Piyush Mishra. It's a show about lawyers, and it's kind of a glamorized version of it. You know, I think until now we've seen the public defender in a black coat saying "Milord" ये वगैरह वगैरह. Corporate law तो हमने दिखाया नहीं है कभी. I think this is the first time my character is a corporate lawyer in the show.
Wow.
I think the first time we're showing sort of the glamour, sexier version of Law, and
Okay.
it's directed by Sahir Raza, who directed Hum Tum and Them, which is a show that did quite well on Alt Balaji of mine. So if you liked it, I
Are we getting
recommend
a
you watch
season
it.
2 of that?
Yeah, I hope we get as soon as this lockdown ends. I hope we get right to it. Yeah, I really fingers crossed, man. I mean, the
We
show
all
did
hope so.
well, and
We all hope so. It did well, and we liked the show also. So I
yeah,
hope second season for that.
yeah. Thanks, man. I hope so too. So I hope बहुत जल्द हम वो shoot करने लग जाए. But for now, Illegal will come. I think that should be the first release now in a month or so, or less than a month.
All right, we're looking forward to that, and thank you so much for giving your time. I hope that comes out very soon, and we see you on the screen again. Okay, thank you so much for doing this with me. I'll see you
Thank
in
you.
person, and we'll do this in person someday.
I really hope so, Imran, because your energy is always amazing and you ask such good questions and you're always so vibrant and I love it. Yeah. So all
Thank
the
you
best
so
to you.
much,
Stay
yeah.
safe and
Thank you so much,
hopefully
and
we'll.
best of luck. I'm gonna see a lot of you this year.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. And message me whenever you see something and you, whatever you feel about it. I'd love to hear.
Obviously, now I'm gonna do that.
Please do that. Please do that. Yeah.
Keep that beard for a while, okay?
For sure, man. Chalo, you take care, brother.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye.